Okay, this is what you would do if you have a Samsung 700T Slate 7 tablet and you see this secure boot violation screen. You would basically need to get into BIOS and disable secure boot. The way you would do that is that first you need to turn off the tablet using the top button on the right side. Okay, and then on the left side there are two volume buttons, one for up and down. So what I would need to do is press both buttons together over and over again when I turn the unit on, right? So I'm going to turn the unit on and press both the volume up and down buttons on the left side over and over again together using two fingers, right? Yep. So eventually I will get into the BIOS screen, which looks like this. Okay, once I'm in the BIOS screen, I would need to use the buttons on the tablet to navigate around because you can't connect the keyboard to this tablet at this time, it won't work. So you would use the volume up and down to select an item, and then you would use the rotate button, which is the bottom right button, to select an item. And then once I select something and I want to exit, I would press the volume up and down button to exit, right? So here I would need to press the volume down button to go down to advanced configuration. Once I'm at the advanced configuration option, I'll press the rotate button, which is the bottom right button, to enter this. And see, once I'm in here, I would press the volume down button to go all the way down to this attempt secure boot option, which is enabled right now. I would then press the repeat button on the right side to select this, and then I would use the volume button on the left to select disabled. Once it's selected, I'll press the button on the right side, the repeat button, to select this. Okay, now you can see it's disabled, and once it's disabled, I need to go back out to the previous menu. I would need to press the volume up and down buttons together like this. Okay, and then once I'm back out at this menu, I would need to select save changes and reset, and then let me do that using the repeat button. Then you should see this screen, save configuration and reset. Press the repeat button on the right side again to select yes, and it should let the tablet boot. Yep,